In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a template from Behance. You may have heard of Behance, a popular platform for creatives to showcase their work. Whether you're a designer, artist, or someone who's simply interested in creative resources, downloading templates from Behance can be incredibly useful. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Behance's website. You can do this by typing in behance.net in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a vast array of creative projects and showcases. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to the site. It's filled with amazing graphics, so it's easy to get drawn in. Next, you'll want to look for the More option located at the top of the page. This is your gateway to a variety of additional content areas within Behance, including the section where you can find templates. Go ahead and click on More. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see various options. What you'll want to do is click on Assets. This will bring up another section of Behance dedicated specifically to assets like templates, fonts, and other downloadable resources. Navigating to this section opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities right at your fingertips. In this area, you'll find numerous templates available for download. Browse through the selection to find a template that catches your eye, or use the search bar if you're looking for something more specific. When you find a template you'd like to download, go ahead and click on it. Feel free to explore and check out different options before making your selection. Once you've clicked on a template, you'll be taken to a detailed page about it. Here, you'll gain insights into who created the template, what it includes, and how it can be used. On the left side of the page, keep an eye out for a download button or link. This is your next destination, as it will allow you to proceed with obtaining the template. After locating the download option, go ahead and click on it. This will often lead you to another page or directly start the file download. On this new page, look for the file that contains the template. You might find multiple files or versions. Select the one that suits your needs best. Finally, once you've located the correct file, click on the free download button. Your download should commence immediately. Depending on your browser settings, the template might save automatically to your downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose a location on your computer. In any case, be sure to save the file somewhere easily accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a template from Behance, unlocking another tool in your creative arsenal. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or share what you create using your new template. Happy designing!